Thank you for watching. Today he makes pork kimchi-don. Cut the pork. Cut the Shimeji mushrooms. Cut the garlic. He used 3 pieces. Cut the green onions. Add oil to the frying pan. This time he used rice oil. Fry the pork. Add Shimeji mushrooms and garlic. Add kimchi and fry. Add soy sauce and black vinegar. The amount is roughly. Looks delicious. Place it on top of the rice. Rice uses brown rice for health. Put the green onions. Put sesame seeds. Put the egg yolk. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.